Xiaomi. Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Now select Open. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to choose receive on Xiaomi and send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only one photo, like that one. Choose send and tap on got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. Then wait a bit. And as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and